Myself, Mohak, and my group members are Amandeep and Sudhir, and today I'm going to tell you about the translator with the Telegram interface. I'll give you the application overview. So, Node-RED is a programming instrument for connecting the hardware together as API and online services. It is a visual tool which is developed for Internet of Things. Node-RED is an open source which was initially built up by IBM, Emerging Technology Association. Node-RED empowers the client to bundle up together the web administration and equipment by supplying the very low level of coding assessment. So this is the application look like. There are four basic things: the header, palette, workspace, and sidebar. So the header is lying on the topmost where user button and menu button is there. The palette lies on the left hand side with the colorful blocks which managing all the node flows. The workspace is the main space in which all node flows connects and deployed. And last is the sidebar which is on the right hand side with all the coding. So this is the applicability of Node-RED application, as this application is used to convert the Arabic, Spanish, French, Japanese language into English. Moreover, it converts English into Hindi. This is applicable in our travel business in Adelaide City. In our recent feedback, we've analyzed that the Australian people are finding the difficulty in communicating with their local people due to the language barrier. So we overcome this problem as our company launched an application in which helped Australian people to communicate with the local people of their country. It basically focuses on the languages for the better experience. With the help of the application, Australian people can interact with the local people of the countries like Spain, French, Japan, etc. This application will traveling make more interesting and enjoyable. In this app, user will get the English as the output, and whatever they get the meaning of the sentence in their own language, that will get the input. Moreover, this application also provides the speech messages as the output for the better understanding. One more additional feature of this app is that it converts English into Hindi. The reason behind that, the people who speak Hindi language are the second largest population after English, and there is no installation charge for this is the application demonstration. Application is deployed without an error, as we can see in the given screenshot of the output. In this output, we got the French, Japanese, Arabian, Spanish language converted into English language. So this is my second slide, and you can see that the Arabic language is converting into English. So I should suggest that the people should download this application because it's very useful, as they can communicate with the local people without any barrier, and they should install without any charges, so they should go for that. Thank you so much.